Mi salon fambul dem uno this na Alpha Side Bangwa they bring to na another edition of Kapu Sense No Kapu Word today Monday May 16 2016. Today I dey begin this edition on a very interesting note and I dey make predictions them where alone I keep now in our minds. By God's own power, where them prediction then they go eventually become true, then una go begin ask una self if me na pursue the totobe. Mohamed Bangwa and Sylvia Blyden, them party business with President Ernest Koroma and the APC in order for last. In order for last because it is not built on mutual respect for each other, nor is it built on sincerity. Now, party business we just make up because Sylvia, just like Mohamed Bangwa, then kind the APC after where they don't form their own political party them, they don't contest for be president, the people of Silo reject them, then kind APC we ready for accommodate and tolerate them, regardless of all the bad things they don't say about APC. Well, since God no like ugly, me no say them party business get for scatter bad. On allow to go no more, let God give you long life and well body. Now, I want to tell you now waiting Mohamed Bangwa say recently, and I take me time for explaining the way we alone understand them. Mohamed Bangwa right now at the talk show, now President Ernest Koroma, a minister we responsible for information and communications. Where President Ernest Koroma be unpick him, he sent her to Parliament for approval. Where Mohamed Bangwa go to Parliament, the paper the way can go there, he falsify them. But President Ernest Koroma coax members of Parliament them, he beg for them. He manipulates some other members of parliament till they confirm Mohamed Bangwa. Well, recently, Mohamed Bangwa say him go challenge President Ernest Koroma and him go make sure say him make laws them for protect gays and lesbians in a salon. La point this out clearly. Me no dey against gays or lesbians them. They self na citizens, then get right. But we will know, we know say, for a very long time, if one go back, as far as Pashekin term, gays and lesbians, they don't dey in a salon. Nobody not trouble them, they not trouble nobody. We not ever get problem with that issue there. Government not one day make law. Now, Mohamed Bangwa, he say, he no say President Ernest Koroma want play politics with that issue there, but he and President Koroma don't hold on. If Mohamed Bangwa choose for be gay, fine. Nothing wrong with that. Now your lifestyle where you choose. People can get right to make choices in life. And when they make them choice, then we get to respect that. But for make him say they can challenge the president, Pantiwe no say the president no want, and him go make sure say what he want be. Well, Mohamed don't begin show himself to APC. Alhamdulillah. And two now no monkey they left in black can. And then timely people and get one parable where like. And that parable there, now I go explain further for long now understand. I go talk on a timney. If I not talk and fine, una left ake for me because my own timney no better. Then I go explain on a Creole what's a bit of good for long now understand what they say. The parable say, the boto, the bonde, the tassi the bomb. What did that mean? When you bang you head in the wall, that small bump for the common I foil them call and boto, ain't no go big past the head himself. If Mohamed Bangwa were a minister, where in this case na the boto, they challenge the president one at the head, well then they fine. Because Mohamed, as I say, don't begin show himself. And me no say, what them grip fet, na me get for can pat them. Because me I like peace. Me not to Munku, me not to Rari boy. So na me get for can pat them. And na to me Mohamed or Abop, na for that make it don't begin misbehave na APC. But una allow they go no more, small. By God, your own power will reach. If una see Sylvia Blyden, you know they sit down in office again, no, na New Englandville. No, you don't care about that. Now, they call community leaders them, they call religious leaders. Friday, the time I feel it, he go na mocks. Very soon, he go can begin tell una say a maternal grandfather par SJ Pratt na them begin APC. The next thing I will go with them call for Tima King saying himself can be presidential candidate. And now it will begin now. They cause confusion, they set fire, maybe big trouble for them. Now the party, una allow they go no more. Una go see them for waiting them be. And as I say, when ten and they come, and I tell you una go remember what you be they tell una. Another thing I want to point out to una, if una can remember, we always born a salon. We know how important them public examinations them be. We on them, we got what them they call common entrance, selective entrance. Where they pull you from primary school, can you go secondary school. The way the secondary school, you go reach them, you go sit another examination for know if you want go from 6 or you want go college. Then we on them they call them GC O level. The way go from 6, you sit A level if you own capacity reach that part there. Now they get different names. But what's important now that we get a sub-regional body where they call the West African Examination Council, we're responsible for the exam then day. Well, in case una don't forget, not too long ago, 3 days for me to get them public exam then a salon. Now, President Ernest Koroma cancel them, postpone them. He say, well, he manufacture another excuse, but the bottom line is, in government not pay WAEC, the West African Examination Council, the money them bound for pay, from a salon take the exam then day. And now they don't clearly justify, say, education not a priority to the APC. For a long time, we have been there doing Joe Momo in term, President Jess Momo, into complaint. He said, education not to them priority. Because from Papa Sheki in term, then get a political philosophy we say, when they talk about Jamil Said Mohammed, you they talk about El Jones. We clearly show say, now for me people and get money by so trick, that is their own priority. Education, when are the key to success, not to their own priority. Well, now President Ernest Koroma can't justify so. According to President Ernest Koroma, the only thing where na development for him, na for them make 2-3 roads the way he overpriced and the contractor them, na he own fambula and paddy them. Na he only development and they. No other thing no they again we do. So education not so in priority. They be don't talk and trade back the same APC. They say if education expensive, let it try ignorance. Therefore that make now, may see no more. Then get small bobo them and sontiti them before them make them go enhance them potentials, let them go learn something. For that, then they give them small money for me them kind of social media. They can cost them bad cost. Then they make competition for goodness. They don't picking them like President Ernest Koroma, you picking them in England. The one a lawyer, the other one na boku book them the land. Then they get them 2-3 bobo then now with they all over social media. Sunday na WhatsApp, Sunday na Instagram, Sunday na Twitter, then they cost no more. Sunday na Facebook. Then they defend them. At the end of the day, everything they happen and get small thing. Then they destroy the potential of young people them for safeguard themselves. But una no worry, una no watch no more long life well body. Then we understand say God know they sleep. What do you do to people picking while lie? He go come out to young picking. We don't see boku una watch no more. Then first time politician, what happen to the young picking them? This is not practical world we did. The Almighty Allah talker. He say if person do good, well, I do it for himself. If you choose for do bad, you do it for yourself. Because God is not unjust to nobody, pass who are unjust to himself. So what do you do to people picking? Well, he don't picking go short param. It is as practical as that. For me picking a seat examination, we'll go better than tomorrow. We not get money for that. But we get money for hire 2-3 everybody for the cost for on social media. So we a priority. On our own agenda for prosperity. Now for me picking and kill a whole academic year, they're not able to achieve nothing. Una own agenda for prosperity. Now for make una minister, then they go on a joyride. Una give them $12,000 to $13,000 as per diem. Una own agenda for prosperity. Now for make people in a free tongue no get water. Pass una they get Bowser, where they buy water by cash or by gallon. Even the government building and a U building, then they strain for water. If you go to the bathroom them, to God, that piece will be don't catch you, go catch by you fail. Now State House, then get one big top day. When I did, then they can put water for Wasmo to carry inside the president's office, then get water problem. Una own agenda for prosperity, now una the show so. Water no day. And this water problem, la remind you now. If President Ernest Koroma be one solver, for don't solve from long before they make him president. You know why? Because from President Momo Intem, te MPRC, te Pakaba, President Ernest Koroma was chairman, board of directors na the Guma Valley Water Company. And it is the responsibility of the board for formulate policies that will go improve the company. But you don't care about that. When it come for campaign, he saying go give water, 30 day water no day. When I see people and they line up, it all over social media for water no day. Any corner way pass now well. And the well self, they're not the bill and fine for safeguard people their life. They don't care about that. Until they don't pick in the other day, electricity, 30 day, then they struggle with them. When they ready, they say Henry Macaulay don't improve her. I improve her, and they want get sabi. Because one side in a free turn and it take 2-3 days, they don't see light safe. President Ernest Koroma, he own agenda for prosperity na indande. The prosperity na here in Padide no more in Santibo care to Padide, Tifi Jankoniko. The rest of the people they not care about them. Prosperity not for meet the masses. The bulk of the people are not for enjoy that prosperity day. But I will continue my civic education to my people. Let them they know the bad thing the way President Ernest Koroma and the APC they do for where election will come tomorrow. May they examine that record today and make sure say they don't vote for the again. Another thing where I want follow and keep on our mind because another prediction what they make. That more time or extension for President Ernest Koroma. I not done at the mind yet to President Ernest Koroma na koni kataposi una watch. Now, he don't get Joseph Kamara, Attorney General, morally bankrupt, but they don't worry about that. Now, the next thing now they can do in Parliament, he go, if you pull Speaker Doumbouya, but he don't try that water de ala one commodity. Now, the majority leader, Ibrahim Bundu, me good Padibo school line and they try for pull, then put IB Kagbo. They say we don't get long parliamentary experience. So, where Joseph Kamara get for bring the bill, even though the Constitutional Review Committee headed by Justice Kawan don't pull a blueprint where they say then people they don't want extension, but then go still bring and come back. Then go one try for manipulate members of parliament and for let pass. But one thing they not go understand, that particular provision is entrenched, which means Parliament no more no go take that decision. They therefore bring them to the people in what is known as a yes or no vote referendum. Well, now they will wait them. And another thing where they assure them back that at this time with the campaign against Una. 2012, people are not campaign against President Ernest Koroma. They're not presenting bad record. They're not campaign against the APC. Now that make Una win. Well, me, if I don't learn that in America, I learn how for campaign. We set in America now we own election season this show. Ask people who then I made and see how then the campaign I are. And at that pattern they made the can go. All man where they contest a record I go present them. Trust me, some man they were done with them. Now in self go on away suffer. Until next week we go bring to another edition. This is Alpha Saidu Bangwa they say tata.